Winds are quite strong. Not really sure whether this is a good idea, to be honest.
Whoa, it's gusty. I think we might make it. If I was on a low hang point machine, I'm sure I'd be sick by now or landed.
.20 a.m. Sun is about to come up. Winds are quite strong, so for this time of day, for them to be that strong, not really sure whether this is a good idea, to be honest, so I'm going to give it a go anyway. The wind speed is around 20 knots at 1,000 feet, according to the balloon forecast, and near the ground it says it's around 6 knots, so we're guessing that's what, 8 or 9 miles an hour, which looks about right. So what I might do is get up in the air, test it out, see how it feels. It's time to prime. Temperature on the ground 8.5 degrees. So as you just heard, off to the Paramotor Club event, the autumn fly-in. I'm actually going to fly into a fly-in. I wasn't sure if I was going to make it though.
Whoa, it's gusty. It's very gusty. Just do a course correction. I'm doing 15 miles an hour. Got the speed bar on. The speed bar can do 80 full bar. So I might not make it. If I do make it, I'll need some more fuel. Getting a bit low to be on bar and filming at the same time. Doing too much at once here. So, a bit of a challenge. Almost didn't do it. Managed to get launched first time, which is a miracle. Feet covered in mud, wing covered in mud. Might need to wash that. So if you've got any wing cleaning tips, let me know. I'm going to stop filming now because I need to focus on flying. Cranfield Airport over there. About to go to their flight path, so I want to get low. Plus I'm going over Milton Keynes and I'm on speed bar and filming. I was wondering if you guys have seen the YouTube channel Yes Theory. They have this philosophy of seeking discomfort. And I'm feeling that right now, to be honest. It's not comfortable flight, it's gusty, it's cold and covered in mud. Not sure if I'll even make it. But I'm doing it anyway, so let's see what happens. The idea of seeking discomfort is when you get uncomfortable, some amazing things can happen. Alright, so speed 18 without bar, so that's an improvement. So that'll save me some fuel. I'm going to drop down a bit now, come off the power a little. Just made it over the buildings. Let's do a slight right turn around the edge of Milton Keynes, but we are making progress. I think we might make it. So I've got an hour to go, got past Milton Keynes. It's quite rough and gusty, but I've had to drop down low to make some progress into wind. So it does mean that the Hadron 3 is all over the place. Don't know if it comes across on the GoPro or not, but 1 second, just correct that. It's fairly rough. Ground speed, I was doing 20 miles an hour a minute ago, now I'm doing 13. So the wind is just all over. The Bulldog makes it pleasant. Well, not pleasant, but makes it bearable. If I was on a low hang point machine, I'm sure I'd be sick by now or landed. But I think I can make it. Got 1 hour to go. Wish me luck. So just gone past Buckingham. There's Buckingham down there. Next stop is Brackley. And then go to Ainhoe Park. And then PMC, hopefully. So should get there by 9 AM, I'm predicting. Maybe 9:15, somewhere around there. It's 8:20 now in the morning. Took off around 7. Maybe 7:10, something like that. Feeling a bit chilly, to be honest.
This here is Stowe House, a Grade 1 listed country house, and has been Stowe School since 1923.
So about half an hour away now. There's Brackley. So just approaching Brackley. So I'm just squeezing in between the Herta area, this is a danger area, and the gliding and parachute drop zone. So I'm just going to squeeze through those two and then go to Ainhoe Park and then up to the PMC. Haven't seen any aircraft at all on this flight. Look at this place, thatched roofs. Very nice.
We're now flying over Ainhoe Park, a Grade 1 listed country house in Northamptonshire. The current house was built in the 17th century and stands on the site of an earlier medieval manor. The gardens were designed by Capability Brown. So after a very bumpy, gusty flight, I am delighted to see the Paramotor Club.
All right, mate.
Hey bud, how you doing?
Good. How you doing? Look at us, matching paramotors.
Yeah, well, that's soon to change.
Bulldog at mateys. Yeah, love it.
Got 140 box right today, but
Have you?
it's too fucking big.
Mind your heels. And your lines.
Well, not much, but like, yeah,
So you're going to pull it up and then power on.
and then get it fucking clear, start moving forward,
Yeah.
and then get the power on.
Yeah, all right, mate. How you doing?
Thanks.
Yeah, yeah. But, I'm still clipped in actually. Okay, it's alright. Took 2 hours
Are you flown here?
from Bedford, yeah.
How are you getting home?
Dunno. My wife's gone to Brighton, so I'm not driving home. I'm flying home. Here's Alex.
36 years, mate.
36 years, went to school together.
We did. St. Bees.
So I had a great time chatting to everyone, stayed for most of the day, so arrived at 9 o'clock and departed around 5. So yeah, pretty much the whole day. Really, really great fun. So here goes Shane doing a tandem launch. And here goes Nathan on the Dudek Uni. Next up is Jeff. I did get permission from Jeff to show this clip, so let me know what you think of this. What happened?
Where's the lift?
Buddy.
What did I just see? There's no lift. You're too much. Is he burying the brakes too much? Do you think? What happened there?
We've still got time.
So luckily Jeff got off okay and got over those power lines at the end of the field. I hang around and watch a few more launches and then I get ready to fly back home.
The wind did drop off a minute ago. Now look at it.
Well, I was going to go, but the wind's just got up. See what I've done to my tank?
No, who's done that? Oh, you Bunsey will go mad.
I photographed it and sent it to him. I said to Bunsey, look what I've done to my Bulldog. So an absolutely brilliant day. Thanks a lot to Simon Westmore for organising, and Colin and everyone else who was involved. Always love these events. So thankfully the weather is good enough for me to fly home. I don't need to call for a lift. My wife is not around anyway, so I'm not sure what I would have done. But the winds are quite strong, so I can get a decent tailwind to fly home.
Okay, so we're going to get some altitude, see if I can get some decent tailwind. Thanks, Simon, once again for putting on an epic event. Just flew in for the day, mainly because of the weather, but didn't want to sleep in a tent with it pissing with rain tomorrow. Really great to see everyone. Catch up on Paramotor talk, as you do at these events. Really great to see everyone. So I'm now flying back home to Bedford. Flight out was 2 hours. There's Silverstone over there. And I've got a ground speed of 40 miles an hour. I'm at 2,500 feet. I'll be home in no time. In fact, I think I can see the chimney next to my field from here already. I've only been up 10 minutes. Silverstone already, which isn't far. It was Buckingham. So quick trip back, which is great. Fully trimmed in. Really enjoyable day. Absolutely loved it. Really enjoyed it. It was the entirety of Buckingham. What a lovely flight. Bit of turbulence there. 40 miles an hour ground speed over Milton Keynes at 3,000 feet. Perfect. Plenty of land-out options, loads of fields. In fact, to glide away from Milton Keynes completely. Well, just look out for aircraft. There's one below me. Brilliant. We made it in under 1 hour. 2 hour flight there, 1 hour back. Literally twice as quick. Ground speed is 40 miles an hour, trimmed in. Lovely. We are down. Time is 6:02. So I just landed. Epic trip. Really enjoyed it. It's great to see everyone at PMC, and had a nice quick flight home, as I told you earlier. Sun is setting in 1 hour, so I got home an hour before sunset, which is nice. Nice strong tailwind. So yeah, had a great day. Really enjoyed it. Thanks, Simon, for arranging these events. Absolutely loved it. Really good. Shame about the weather. Would have camped over if the weather was good tomorrow, but thought I'd just fly in and back. So cheers.